Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, Bitcoin has made a little bit of a rebound and reclaimed the 61,000. With that, a lot of altcoins have done very good as Solana is leading the chart by quite a margin. If you look at the fear to the greed index, you will notice that the fear in the market is slowly starting to climb, and as Warren Buffett has said, when the fear climbs, brings a lot of opportunities. So this could be a perfect time as the market is making a recovery and we get back into the FOMO stage and the market starts exploding maybe in the next coming month, which will be July. You want to make sure that you're positioned in a way that you can make the most profit, and the best way to do that is look for altcoins which are going to be doing some explosive move. If you guys do not know, the best time or the best way to make the most profit when the market is trying to make a recovery is small altcoin, and there is one which I have been paying attention to, and it's called Bleach the Unlimited. Now you guys need to understand, this is actually a game that you can actually play right now on Android. You can just download it on your phone and start playing a game. With that game, they are releasing a token. They are in a pre-sale stage. They have already raised over $4 million in their private, and you guys can see that right now the price is sitting at 1 tub, which is the currency that they are pretty much going to be putting out. Tub, it pretty much just means the ultimate battle, or the ultimate battle, is sitting at a price of 0.09, which is just 9 cents per tub. But you guys will realize that in 8 days, as the pre-sale progresses, the price will be going up. Now keep in mind, this token has so much potential, because if you just look at the game that they have made, you will realize that they are going to be doing some big things in the future. I mean, this game is already out. If you want to play it, you can download it on Android phones and actually start playing it right now. Now keep in mind, there will be a lot of integrations that will be happening in the future, so there will be a lot that will be happening. Now this token is going to be huge, because you need to understand it will be releasing on a lot of chains: Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche. You know, there's going to be huge. Their partners: Bitmart, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Transit. Now their tokenomics right now is sitting at 5% for the private sale, 15% for the pre-sale, 10% staking, 20% project fund, 10% marketing, 25% liquidity, 10% ecosystem, and 5% airdrop. Right now, the airdrop, in my opinion, is the big deal, because if you guys have been, paying close attention, while airdrop, join and win free crypto. Remaining time is 64 days, and in total $5 million airdrop. Now this is huge. This is one of the biggest airdrops I have seen for such a small token. Join our massive airdrop event. Welcome to the biggest airdrop event. We're giving away 50 million tub tokens. Simply complete these tasks to earn the points. It's really simple. You just need to download the game, which is on their Android, and then simply complete the task and claim your tokens. Boost your points with the VIP cards. To increase your points faster, we offer 3 types of VIP cards, each providing special benefits. So you can actually get into this right now. The simplest way to actually buy these tokens right now is simply just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. Just decide how much Ethereum or USDT. If you guys want to go with Ethereum chain, you can also go with BNB chain, just depending on what you guys like to use. Once you have connected your wallet, simply select, let's say, 20 USD, and then you guys will receive your token. Once you guys have received your token, you can also stake it away. Now you guys can actually stake it away right now, and you will be able to claim the rewards in the future. Now if you guys want to talk about their social media, you can see on Twitter they are verified with just about 700 followers, so very early into the project. But you need to understand, it's really good that this project is not trying to get fake followers. There are so many projects that do that, and personally I feel like myself, it actually pushes me off the project rather than being more interested in it. I would rather prefer a project with less followers and they're pretty much trying to build something rather than fake followers. Now this week we are launching an update hosting the airdrop event where you can earn free tub tokens. Don't miss out. So this is just the type of things that they're trying to do, and keep in mind this is going to be doing some big numbers, and just the way the game is designed, and they're going to be working on other stuff as well, it's just going to be a huge deal. And this is the character rarity preview, so this is just the type of characters that you guys will be able to get in the game. And you guys know this sort of game is very popular in East Asian countries. And this game, if it catches on, you guys know for a fact that this game can become huge, maybe even bigger than Axie Infinity if you ask me, suggesting the fact they're doing a $5 million airdrop. If you do want to check it out, the link will be in the description. Go ahead and check it out. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.